We're going to check the voltage on this battery here. It's ancient, but it looks like it's intact. I'm going to set this to DC volts. The negative on this side, positive on this, and 2.798 volts. It's 3 volts. So we'll look up and see if this is the voltage that's supposed to be coming out. Ow! Here's a quick tour of the machine from the back. This is the CRT that is obviously the television that's green. This is a printer interface, and back here you can see the row dollar bill reader. That is the row interface for reading in money. Hey, there's a fun fact. There's a capacitor just sitting here, zip tied to the side. I wonder what power this is mitigating. It's kind of interesting. There's also a cable that's not hooked up. It might be just something for an extra device that's not hooked up. And somebody taped over these holes where it looks like a little power cable, and then this Molex goes into. Okay, there's another door on the back here. You can get a good look at the motor that drives the grabber. This guy, I assume, moves up and down vertically, and then there's a corresponding motor on the other end with a chain that goes this way that drives it horizontally. They're using optical spools to figure out how far the motors move, so that's kind of cool, pretty consistent. Same thing over there, and we'll look up here. This is the back of the dispensing door, and the cool thing about this is it has some switches here, and these are probably security switches. They're always pressed down with this, but I assume if somebody's breaking in, it's going to break the connection. The switches will come up, alarms will go off, and then that's probably why there's a big speaker in the cabinet just to the side from here. That's probably the security alarm. And up here is a counterweight, which makes the motor that moves this chain up and down not have to work as hard, because obviously there is some weight to the grabber mechanism. The wood on this back door is split, so we're gonna get some wood glue and some clamps and get this fixed.
Let me give you a little update. I now know the access code to get into the administrative portion. It actually was like a phone number. I had to call the owner that I bought the machine from, and then he sent me these scans, but he sent me these pictures as well, and I'm going to buy everything from him that he did not send with the machine. I don't even know why he kept this stuff. This seems like legit. Like, I need these, especially these membership cards. There's like 800 of them. This is like a great idea. This is like the best idea I've ever had. All right, so what's next here?